This is my kitchen. Pasayan or shrimp.
What are you cooking tonight?
Mechado.
Michago.
Mechado salmon with salmon.
We have groceries.
And special rice.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Uncle Joe. Hey, bro. What did you cook today?
Chop suey.
Chop suey.
This is one chop suey. This one is tuna flakes. And I make some smiley stuff. See? I want you to smile before you eat it.
Oh, thanks, babe.
Enjoy the
Irene's kitchen. Very good.
Thank you.
Love the food,
Salamat.
babe.
I love you more. Pasta.
Ah,
You are very special child.
nice. We'll see what the food looks like when it's done.
Like me.
Part 2. What's in here?
Sauce.
What kind of sauce?
It's agami sauce.
Game?
Agami.
Game.
Agami yung ginang shikyo. Hindi na.
Is that Korean?
Hindi ko na agami yung shik tangiyo. Hindi ko na machis. Sauce, baby. It's a sauce. The sauce for there. You wanna try?
I'll burn my tongue. Hot.
Your mother is like.
Good evening, babe.
Good evening, babe.
Welcome to Irene's Kitchen. Episode I have no idea. What are we eating today?
You eat, not me.
I eat
You
alone?
eat alone. But I'm watching you, baby.
I
I'm
see.
full. Look at my sauce, babe.
Oh, wow. Rice.
I'll cook rice, fried shrimp,
Right, shrimp.
fried crabs, and paksiw tuna.
Tuna.
Yeah, it's tuna. Paksiw.
Coxtail tuna.
Yeah.
Fascinating.
Thanks, babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good evening, babe.
Good morning, babe.
Oh, it is morning time.
Yeah.
We had a nice night at Jazz and Blues. What did you cook tonight? What is this?
Escabeche, tuna, and buttered onion tuna. And special rice for you.
Special
The
rice.
gravy rice, babe. Special.
All right, and that is Irene's Kitchen for tonight.
Again.
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 Thank you,
Enjoy the
babe.
food, babe.
Salamat.
Wala isa pa yan.
Good morning, babe.
Good morning, dog.
What are you cooking today?
Oh. Secret.
Secret.
No. Fried rice.
Fried rice.
With a sweet.
Vegetables?
Yes, and many onions and garlic.
Smells good.
Special food for my dog.
What is dong?
Dog means man or boy.
Ah.
Dong is Cebuano language for man. What are you doing? No. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
I see.
Thank you, babe.
Wala isa pa yan, do.